Good morning everyone, Bobby Barr here. It's Monday morning. See if we can give some Monday motivation to some of you people out there on LinkedIn. I just want to touch on mortgageability of off-site modular construction building systems. I get asked this question all the time. How do you get mortgageability? Well, it's quite simple. If you're going to use a system, whether it be a volumetric system or a hybrid system as a developer, you need two parts to gain mortgageability. One is the product warranty. So if it's a hybrid system, the supplier of the hybrid system should be giving some product warranty. And the best warranty is 60 years, ideally what BOPAS accreditation is. 60 years combined with the developer's structural or latent defect warranty of 10 or 12 years, whichever is required, in combination will gain you mortgageability. If you have a 60-year product warranty, then you're going to have a bigger lending audience, for sure. Now, if you go down the volumetric route and you want to build with a volumetric product, then the volumetric supplier will provide both the product warranty and the structural warranty and the latent defect. It's important to remember that you get the maximum amount, ideally 60 years, because with 60 years you're going to get a bigger and wider lending audience. As I said last week in a video, if you have a buyer that needs a mortgage at 4% and you've used a system and there's only 5 or 6 lenders and the highest or the lowest one is 5%, you're going to lose a customer as a developer. So think commercial. The more lenders that can lend against your end product that you're selling, the better it is for you. Hope that shed a little bit of light. Have a great day. Thank you.